Today I have a product to share with everyone and review. It is the Precision 37-inch tactical rifle bag from Highland Tactical. It's got quite a few features on it, and it's going to take a few minutes to show everything, but I believe you will be pleased when you see all the features in this bag. First of all, this bag features MOLLE and detachable magazine pouches that will hold up to 3 AR magazines. Full size, 30 rounds. As you'll see, they will come off the bag. Same thing goes for this side. And it is detachable also. And the reason I'm doing that is so I can show you some of the zipper compartments behind it. You can see you have a nice zipper compartment back here with ample room. You can put your fixing sticks in this side. You could also put a Otis lens cleaning kit in here too. And if you want to go to this side, you could take your AR takedown tool gunsmithing set. You could also put a Leverman mutt. With those 3 items, you can do almost anything you need to do at the range. And then we'll show everyone it has got a handgun bag. And then I'll try to show everyone here. It will hold 5 magazines. And we'll put this cleared P229 in here. We'll zip it back up and I'll show you another feature. This pistol bag is detachable as well. There's tons of MOLLE on it. And we have a compartment back here with ample storage room here. Put your axle hearing protection or any type you have. And there's enough room in here to put earmuffs. Throw your bag of Ranger bands in here if you like. You never know when they're going to come in handy. Now we'll open the bag up itself and show everybody the inside of it. As you can see, it takes up quite a bit of room on the desk. As you can see, it's padded for the buttstock and the barrel of your rifle with straps. It's got a divider. And you can also put a rifle on this side. And I'm fixing to put that in and show everyone how well it fits. And as everyone can see, this AR is clear. Nothing in here. Now that we have the straps undone, we're going to show everyone how nice this fits in here. This will keep your firearm in place. And you've got the room for your second AR-2 or a pistol carbine, whichever one you want to put in it. But we're going to zip this up and show you a couple more features. Have a nice carrying strap, but one thing I like, and it's a little bit different from some of the other bags I've seen. This one has hidden shoulder straps. And I'm going to pull them out and model it for everyone so you can see how well it fits. And they have a cross strap with them too, so you can secure it on your chest. Now give me a moment, I'll put this on, show everyone how well it looks. I want to show everyone how this fits when you have it on your shoulders. I do have a limited space in here. Now I'm going to show everyone how the straps hide away. Okay. I want to show everyone how simple it is if you do not want to utilize the straps on it. You got it unbuckled here. You got your zipper section here. Just fold it down in here. You can tuck that in. And they will be out of the way. This is a feature for somebody that's got a lot of hiking to do when they're going to shoot their AR, but for most people just going to the range, you're probably just going to use the handles on the bag. And it also has a little nameplate, so you can put your ID card in here, or for me, I'm just going to put my instructor license in here. Now we're going to have a few final words. Now, I hope everyone's just as impressed with this bag as I am. And one little tip for when you're trying to adjust your little straps, especially like on your back strap, if you use a little borrowing tool. This is what I use to do paracord and make monkey fist. Go to the Highland Tactical website. They have a good selection of bags. Don't forget there's a Bearded Sharper Facebook page. Please subscribe to the Bearded Sharper YouTube channel. Share it with all your friends. Hit the like button. Hit the notification bell, and you will be up to date on all the reviews. And I have a few more coming this next week. Have a good day, and thank you.